Hello everyone, and this is Ganesh, and in this video I am going to explain word problems from pair of equations, pair of linear equations, word problems. This is from 10th class. It's very important, and most of the students are feeling difficult to how to make the equations by reading the problem, because understanding the word problem is very important. After that, making equations, then we have followed that simplification part. Here different types of methods are there for finding x value, y value. Here in this video I am going to explain elimination method. I am going to explain elimination method, how to solve. That is also you are going to learn. At the same time, how can we solve these kind of this word problem. Let us see. Before that, everybody please subscribe my channel and share this to your friends or whatever may be. And let us see the problem here. First of all, for these kind of problem, just listen carefully the problem and read carefully. After that, try to understand. Generally, pair of equations, in the question, two statements are there. So by using each statement, we have to make one equation. Each statement gives one equation. Total two equations we have to make it. So if we find the equations, half of the problem solved. After that, how to solve x and y, that is elimination method we are using. So here the area of a rectangle gets reduced by 80 square units, and if its length is reduced by 5 units and breadth is increased by 2 units. This is one statement. Second thing, if we increase the length by 10 units and decrease the breadth by 5 units, then the area will increase 50 units. Then find the length and breadth of the rectangle. So here, what is x, what is y? The unknown things we have to take it as x and y. Yes. Here what are unknown things? That is, we are going to find length and breadth. So that we have to take it as, here length is equal to x and breadth is equal to y. So if length x, breadth y, means what is their area? Area is x into y. That means length into breadth. X, y is the area. This is original area, and length, and this one x and y we are going to find. Now by taking the first statement, so area reduced by 80, when it will reduce? If length reduced by 5, breadth increased by 2. So here in the first situation, we have to take length reduced by 5. Length generally x, reduced by 5 in the first situation, reduced x minus 5. Then what is breadth? Breadth increased by 2, they said. So breadth increased, that means plus 2. So length and breadth we got it. Now what about area? What about area means after these happenings, what will be the area means 80 reduced, 80 units reduced. That means if I find the area of these two, then what will get? So length into breadth, here length is x minus 5 and breadth is y plus 2, then this is area. Then this is equal to what? Area, what will happen? Area is generally xy. Original area is reduced by 80 units, subtract 80 units. So this area is equal to this one. So by simplifying this equation, we'll get one pair of equation. That means one equation will got it. So how to simplify this? Let us say these two we have to multiply. X into y, xy, x into 2, 2x, 5 into y minus 5y, 5 into 2, that is minus 10, that equal to xy minus 80. Then here you see both the sides xy term is there, same signs, we can cancel it. Anyway, if you are sending this side, it becomes minus xy, we can cancel it. So after that, what is left? 2x minus 5y, and 80 if I send that side, plus 10 send that side, it is plus 10. So minus 80 plus 10, and finally what will get? 2x minus 5y is equal to minus 70. This is the first pair of equation. Now the same thing, by using the second statement again we have to make another equation. So what is the second one means length. What is the change in the length? The change in the length is increased by 10 units. So length is x, we have taken increased by 10 units, that means x plus 10. Next, breadth is increased by 50, breadth is breadth decreased by 5 units. Breadth decreased by 5 units, that means y minus 5. Now what will be the area? What is the change in area means area increased by 50 square units on the first area. So again same thing we have to find it. What is the area of this one means second situation, x plus 10 into y minus 5. Why I am multiplying with length into breadth area, that equal to generally what is the change will come xy original area, then it is increased by 50 xy plus 50. Now this these two are equal. Again we can find another equation, that is x into y xy minus 5x plus 10y minus 50 is equal to xy plus 50. Again you see xy both same terms and same signs, we can cancel it. Finally we got minus 5x plus 10y is equal to, if I send minus 50, that's plus 50. So 50 plus 50, that is equal to finally minus 5x plus 10y is equal to 100. So this is the second equation. Finally we got two equations. So this is very important in the word problems. So after finding these two equations, pair of equations, we got it. So how can we solve it? Solving means we have to find x and y values. So here I am going to use elimination method. Okay, here finally we got two equations. I have written here both at one place. Here first equation, 2x minus 5y is equal to minus 70 and minus 5x plus 10y equal to 100. So when we are using elimination method, either x terms or y terms must be equal with their coefficients. That means either 2x, here 2x is there means here also 2x must be there, or otherwise here 5x, here also 5x. Such kind of possibilities there or not, we have to check it. So here you see from the first equation, if we multiply 5y with 2, we'll get 10y. So what I do here, first equation I multiply with 2, then what happen? 2 2s are 4x minus 2 5s are 10y is equal to 2 70s are 140. So first equation I multiplied with 2. Why I multiplied means either x terms or y terms must be equal with their coefficients. Yes, there is a possibility in first equation. If we multiply with any number, the whole equation, there is no change, right? So therefore now we'll get a third equation. This is after multiplication. Now we have to write third equation and second equation, we have to solve it. So before solving that, write in one order. So this is the first equation, third equation. Now second equation, write it here. So minus 5x plus 10y is equal to 100. Write in this format. Then we have to subtract or add. One thing we have to do. Here you see 10y, y terms are equal and signs are different. If signs are different means we have to add these two the given two equations, right? So signs are different, one is minus, another one is plus, then we have to add it. If both are same, either minus or plus, then we have to subtract. When we are subtracting, second equation signs will be changed, but here we have to add. Already one is negative, another one is positive, opposite signs are there, so we have to add it. If I add these two, then what happened? No need to change the signs for the second equation. Just directly minus 10y plus 10y. If we add these two, we can cancel it, opposite signs. If we add 4x minus 5x minus x, that equal to, here minus 140 plus 100, opposite signs means subtract it, minus 40. So x equal to 40, we got it. Both sides plus minus sign is there, cancel it, it becomes plus. So x is equal to 40. Finally x value we got it. Now after getting one of either x value or y value, then this value substitute in any one of the equation, either first one or second one or third one also, no problem. So here I'll substitute in first equation, because first equation all coefficients and numbers are smaller one, that's the reason I substitute x value in first equation. So if I substitute 2 into 40 in the place of x, put 40, minus 5y is equal to minus 70. Now 2 40s are 80, minus 5y is equal to minus 70. Now minus 5y is equal to minus 70, and 80 if you are sending that side, minus 80. So now 5y is equal to minus 70 minus 80, minus 150. Both negative signs are there, add it. Then here minus is there already. Now y value is equal to minus 150 by minus 5, because minus 5 is multiplying this side, if you are sending divides. So minus minus gets cancelled, 5 30s are 150, then y value is equal to 30. So finally we got y value and x value. So therefore the length is 40, breadth is 30. So in this way we are going to find I hope you all understand this problem, and in this way we have to find all this pair of equations. If story problems are there, understanding is very important, and how to make the equations. Like this I am going to do more and more word problems. Just watch it and you have to practice more problems. Please, if you like this, please share and subscribe it. And please help me by subscribing each and every video and sharing, liking, and if you have any doubts you can put the comments in the comment box. Thank you very much.